When people tell you they make this from content creating, they are not lying. I'm a witness. And if you're a new creator, you're welcome to the Millionaires Gang because very soon you will start cashing out like every other person. In the month of March, I made $179 from content creating only. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to get your creativity monetized so you can start making money like every other person from content creating. And this is going to be more beneficial to those that just joined content creating or those that have interest in joining content creating.
Like I usually say, all you need is your phone, passion, and consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to content creating. Post regularly. Focus on posting regularly. Post at least 4 times to 5 times in a week. This will make you to be on the face of your audience. It will make it easier for your audience to see you. Secondly, engage and learn. Engage with others and learn through feedback. No man is an island. That is why the algorithm pays so much attention to engagement. Engage with other creators that post videos that resonate well with you. Learn to comment on other people's video. Learn to like, learn to share other people's video. Learn to add to favorite. Learn to follow other creators. That way the algorithm will pick you. Learn to engage with other creators if you want engagement, if you want visibility. It is very important for someone that is new in content creating or someone that wants to go far in this particular field. Finally, for you to monetize your creativity, you must follow the policy, community guideline, and respect the monetization criteria of any platform you choose to get monetized on. So whichever platform, be it YouTube, be it Facebook, be it TikTok, or any platform at all, go through their community guideline. Make sure you follow their community guideline to the last and go through their monetization criteria and make sure you meet up with the criteria before you can even think of monetization. Stay dedicated and soon enough you'll be monetizing your passion. See you in my next video and hit this button for more videos on content creation, monetization, and idea marketing.